Welcome to the final video of the Unseen Architects. Over the past 9 videos, you've learned to recognize your 4 architects, understand what each offers, and integrate their wisdom in career decisions, relationships, and creative direction. You have the complete system for conscious choice. Today, we're talking about what happens next. How does this practice become your natural way of being? How does conscious integration become authentic? How do you sustain this over time? This is about transformation from student of the process to master of your own choice making. Let's complete this journey. When you started this course, you probably experienced your decision making as confusing, conflicted, or controlled by unconscious patterns. You might have felt stuck between competing perspectives, unsure which voice to trust, paralyzed by internal conflict. Now you have language for what you were experiencing. Those weren't character flaws or confusion. They were different architects offering different wisdom, and you hadn't learned to recognize and integrate them yet. Here is the transformation you've made. Before this course, unconscious patterns controlled your choices. You couldn't see which architect was speaking. Decisions may have felt confusing or paralyzing. You may have second-guessed yourself constantly, and eternal conflict felt like personal failure. After this course, you are able to recognize which architect is active. You can consult multiple perspectives consciously. You understand integration, not just reaction. You have a systematic process for complex decisions, and you know internal plurality is neutral, not broken. But knowing the process intellectually and living from integrated choice are different things. Right now, you probably still use the 5-step process deliberately. You think through the steps. You consciously ask each architect for input. It requires attention and effort. That's exactly right for where you are. That is how skills deepen. Watch what happens with continued practice. Stage 1, deliberate practice, weeks 1 through 4. You consciously walk through the 5 steps. It feels mechanical, structured, and effortful. You're learning the process. Stage 2, conscious competence, weeks 5 through 12. You're using the process more fluidly. You still think about the steps, but it's becoming smoother and recognition is getting faster. Stage 3, integrated fluency. Months 3 through 6, you naturally hear all 4 architects without deliberate consultation. The process is becoming automatic. You catch yourself in a decision asking, what do the other architects say, without planning to. Stage 4, natural wisdom. Months 6 plus. Conscious integrated choice is your baseline. You don't think about the process. You naturally access multiple perspectives. The architects have become your way of seeing, not just a technique that you use. This is mastery, and when the process becomes invisible because it's integrated into who you are. So how do you move from where you are now to that natural wisdom? What sustains this practice over time? Let me give you 3 essential practices for making conscious choice your way of being. These 3 practices will move you from deliberate use of the process to natural integration. They're simple, they're sustainable, and they work. Practice 1, the daily architect check-in. 2 minutes every morning, and that's it. Before you start your day, before you dive into demands and decisions, spend 2 minutes asking, which architect am I starting my day from? Just notice. Are you in the inherited mode, thinking about responsibilities and what you should do? Are you in reactive mode, worry about what could go wrong? Or external mode, thinking about how you'll be perceived? Or authentic mode, connected to what genuinely matters to you? Don't judge what you find, just notice. Then ask briefly, what does today actually need? Maybe today needs the inherited architect, structure, and responsibility. Maybe it needs the reactive protection and sustainable pacing. Maybe it needs external connection building. Maybe it needs authentic alignment. 2 minutes every morning. This practice builds the recognition muscle that makes everything else automatic. It's like tuning an instrument before playing. You're setting your awareness before your day begins. Practice 2, weekly pattern recognition. Once a week, spend 5 minutes reviewing your patterns. Ask yourself which architect was most active this week. Which architect did I hear least? What decisions did I make? Which architects led? And what do I notice about my patterns? You might notice I'm very inherited at work and very authentic at home. Or my reactive spikes when I'm tired, or I default to external when I'm with certain people. These Patterns are not problems, they're simply information. They show you how you naturally operate, which helps you make more conscious choices. Maybe you notice you've been carrying in a reactive all week, protecting, cautious, and worried, and that is valuable information. You can consciously ask, do I need some authentic connection this weekend? Some creative expression, something that expands rather than contracts. Weekly pattern recognition creates self-awareness that guides your choices. Practice 3, integration moments. This is the practice that makes integration automatic. Several times throughout the week, when you face a decision that matters, pause for 60 seconds and do a quick 4-architect consultation. Not the full 5-step process, just a quick consultation. Inherited, what do you suggest? Reactive, what do you suggest? External, what do you suggest? Authentic, what do you suggest? And what integration honors multiple perspectives? All of that in 60 seconds total. A quick consultation that prevents a single perspective reaction. And do this with how you respond to a challenging email, whether you take on additional work, how you spend a free evening, and what you say in a difficult conversation, and even whether to accept an invitation. Not every tiny decision, but several times a week with decisions that matter. This practice transforms integration from special technique I use for big decisions to how I naturally think about choices. After a few months of integration moments, you'll find yourself automatically hearing all 4 perspectives. You won't need to deliberately consult them, they'll just be present. That is when conscious choice becomes your way of being. 3 simple practices: a daily check-in, weekly pattern recognition, and integration moments throughout your week. These will move you from deliberate practice to natural mastery. Now, let me tell you what this transformation actually creates in your life. When conscious, integrated choice becomes your way of being, here is what changes. Your decisions feel clearer. Not because every choice is obvious, but because you know you've consulted with multiple forms of wisdom. You trust your process, which creates confidence in your choices. You second-guess yourself less. When you make decisions from integration, you don't spiral into, did I choose right? Because you know you assessed all 4 perspectives. You gave yourself the best information available. Your internal experience is quieter. Instead of fighting between different voices or feeling paralyzed by conflict, you recognize plurality as natural. Different perspectives aren't problems, they are resources. You give and receive more freely. When you're making choices consciously, you give from choice, not obligation. You receive from openness, not need. Your relationships become more genuine. You honor yourself without dismissing others. You can make authentic choices while considering practical constraints. You can be true to yourself while being socially intelligent. Integration dissolves false either-or thinking, and you become more of who you are. This is the deepest transformation. Conscious choice lets you become more fully yourself, not a better version, a more conscious, more integrated, more free version. Remember where we started. Freedom comes from awareness, not from changing who you are. You don't need different architects. You need to fix your primary pattern. You don't need to be balanced. You need to see clearly, recognize what's present, consult multiple forms of wisdom, and choose consciously. That's what you know now how to do. That's the gift of practice. You have completed the Unseen Architects course. You have the recognition capacity, the understanding of what each architect offers, the integration process, and practical examples across every major life domain. You know how to move from unconscious pattern to conscious choice. But here's what's important to understand. This is not the end. This is the beginning. The course gave you the map. Your life gives you the territory. Every decision you make from here forward is an opportunity to practice. Every choice is a chance to recognize, consult, integrate, and choose consciously. Some days you'll do this beautifully. Some days you'll forget and react from old patterns. That is not failure. That is being human. The practice is simple. When you notice you've been unconscious, you become conscious again. Recognition without judgment, then choose again. Your 4 architects have been designing your life all along. Now you can see them, understand them, and work with them consciously. Not to control or to fix them, but to create with them. Creating choices, creating your life, creating yourself through conscious decision making. Your practice continues, your mastery develops, your freedom expands. One choice at a time, one recognition at a time, one integration at a time. Thank you for taking this journey. Your conscious choice matters to you, to the people in your life, to what you create in the world. Go, practice, integrate, and choose consciously. The architects are yours to work with now.